Movements and signs that you should be familiar with. Parrots try to communicate with humans through their language and body. Here you will be given basic information so that you can know the behavior of the parrot and for it communicate with him successfully. Rubbing beaks together, a sign that your parrot is resting, feels comfortable and safe, desire to sleep. Sitting on one leg, happy and relieved from life and on the verge of sleep. Scratching yourself, dry hair or the need to bathe. Climbing up and down the cage, a sign of happiness and cheerfulness of the parrot, as well as effort to get out of the cage. Tilting the head to one side, the bird pays attention to you and listens to your words. Trembling, fear and excitement.